Hey there, lovely ladies. Today I have a quick little techie trick that you can do as a digital media VA that will help you move forward with your clients. So sometimes I need to make a graphic and I need to copy what a client already has on the website. And usually 9 times out of 10, they don't even know their own fonts. So I'm going to show you the quick hack to figuring out what fonts your new client uses. So you actually I'm gonna do it like right here. I'm gonna control click, I'm on the Mac, and I'm gonna come over here to inspect. Now Google inspect tools are amazing, and I know you're gonna see all this code and like go, I don't know any of this, but what you do is you come down here to filter and you type in font, and then this font family is gonna show up, and I can see that she's using antique olive. So I'm making a graphic for her. I'm over in Canva, which is a free tool. So I wanted to do like, something like this, but I guarantee you antique olive isn't in here. Let's find out. Antique. No, it's not. So I'm going to pop over here and search for this font for free. And then you can upload it into Canva, and oh, I can close all of this like website stuff. It's an Adobe font. I'm going to see if I can find it for free because it's so nice for branding purposes to use the same thing. It looks like this one is $35, which I am not going to be buying. So I wonder if I could find something similar. Here's a free version. Let's see. Antique olive. That's not the same. Wow, that's not the same at all, is it? Got to be careful. Like, don't fall for it. They might just be capitalizing on the name. I don't think that's the same. Let me double check. Oh, maybe it is. Cool. Well, we found it free. So let's just get, I just want to get the regular one, which is probably, I'm just going to download the font. Okay, so it downloads as a zip drive. I'm going to come over here and open. And don't look at my screen. I know I have so many screenshots I need to go through and clear that all out. Don't look at it. It's embarrassing. So I'm basically making this on the blog graphic, and here it is. See, that's what I'm doing for her, but I'm going to change it up. So I'm going to come over here to the antique olive folder and open it up, and then I just want to find the regular one, which is regular.ttf. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to install font. So now it's on my computer, and inside Canva you can install your own fonts. They have this beautiful branding section, brand kit. You're limited on how many fonts you can upload. Give it a minute, it's trying to pull up. So I always max it out because I am like a font geek. I like to try different ones all the time. So let's see if I can go ahead and add it. I don't know if it's going to let me, but I'm going to come here to the folder and add it and see if it lets me. If I maxed out, I'm going to have to delete a font that I don't use very much. Oh, good. It worked, right? Let's see. Yep, right here at the top. That's awesome. So I'm going to have to refresh this page. And I'm going to say, and then, so this is a really good classic font to use, but I just want it to match my client. So I'm going to bring up the antique olive. It's not over here, is it? Okay, well, let me figure that one out for a second. It's here, right? Okay, so let me just refresh this again. Hold on. Did you see? I probably just need to refresh it. So let me save this. Okay. I'm just going to go back to the home. You can't upload a new font and immediately start working on it within Canva. You have to like refresh the page. I'm just going to reopen it. Hopefully it works. Come over here. Now the fonts that you upload first in Canva that are yours are going to show first, and then the ones underneath, I have Canva for Work, so I have all of these bonus fonts down here, which is awesome. They didn't used to exist. I'm going to make mine antique olive, and I think I'm going to make that a question mark. And I'm going to make this graphic fill up as much of this little area as I can. And perfect. And then to download it, I just come here and I download. It's that easy. So I will be putting this small graphic into a landing page that I'm working on that you are watching me work on over the course of the week. If you want to know more digital media tasks that you can do online, go to my freebie. The link is in the description, and I'll see you next time.